AC and Ashley, you have just been evicted from the Big Brother house.
Mula sa pinag-usapang pagkaka-evict nila sa bahay ni Kuya nito lang weekend. 2 beses nang nagkita uli sa outside world sina Pinoy Big Brother Celebrity Collab Edition duo Ashley Ortega at AC Bonifacio.
Emosyonal na AC Ashley.
Kahapon ay nag-guest sila sa It's Showtime. At ngayon ay may special interview naman para sa GMA Integrated News. Nasa adjusting phase pa rin daw sina Ashley at AC.
Parang ang bilis lang ng pacing, Tito Lar, dito sa labas, sa outside world. It's so fast. So I feel like we also have to catch up para, syempre, hindi kami pwedeng ma-stuck doon eh.
Wala pa pong 1 week since we got out eh. So we're still really processing and getting used to the outside world po ulit.
Kahit 3 linggo lang sila sa bahay ni Kuya, hindi maiwasang manibago ni na Ashley at AC sa kanilang dating routine.
Ngayon ulit ako nag-drive, naninibago, pero inuna ko talaga muna kausapin yung mga taong mahal ko sa buhay.
Actually, yesterday was my first day na talagang I listened to music. Parang I was slowly getting back into my regular life.
Sa kabila niyan, di raw maiwasan ng duo na masepanks sa housemates na iniwan nila sa loob ng bahay ni Kuya.
Our friendship, our family po talaga, it was genuine and true. And yun po, parang yun po yung pinaka namimiss ko ngayon, the housemates.
Ako dito, Lar, sobra. Especially si Ate Clang, kasi I think the other day, yesterday, nag-out siya.
At ngayon ngang nag-out na si Clarice de Guzman bilang bisexual.
Nung nakita ko yun sa social media, na I wanted to hug her and be there for her and tell her that I'm so proud of her.
I'm so proud of her. I wanted to be one of the people in that house to take care of her now.
Ngayong nasa outside world na, hindi maiwasan ni na Ashley at AC na makabasa ng negative comments ukol sa kanila sa social media. Pero hindi raw magiging dahilan yan para masira ang nabuo nilang friendship.
We know details that other people also don't know. Me and Ate Ash, what we went through, there's more to it than what was shown.
Alam namin kung saan kami nanggagaling. And of course, bilang ate sa isang loob ng bahay, on the outside world, papanindigan ko na rin. That's talagang magiging ate ako for AC.